We live in a time where earning money is as easy as counting 1, 2, and 3. Imagine earning a ton of cash just by using apps on your phone or computer. This is Dark Money Secrets, and today I'm going to show you 3 apps that you can use to earn money from the comfort of your own home. If you like this video, drop your comments down below, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. App number 1. It's called Userfield.com, and we're going to start with that one. This is an app that I think many of you didn't even know about until now. It's important to know what Userfield.com is before we talk about how it works. Well, it's an app where you can try out different apps and websites and get paid for it. In this case, companies from all over the world will need someone to test their apps in order to find any bugs or problems in the above apps and websites. And this is where Userfield.com comes in. Companies will pay Userfield.com, and then Userfield.com will pay people like us to test things for them. And that is how you can get paid. Now, this kind of testing doesn't require any knowledge, skills, or experience to do. I think it's a great place to start making money online if you haven't done so before. This is also a very popular app that has been used by many people from all over the world. The fact that this works in most countries means that it will likely work in yours too. This is one of the best things about this app. As you can see, they also have a lot of happy customers, and some of them can be seen just below. As you can see, some of them are very big companies that I know some of you will recognize right away. Besides, you can also see a lot of information about this app and what it can do. Userfield is a multilingual usability and user testing tool. Test any site in any language. Our panel consists of more than 130,000 testers speaking 40 languages. There are testers from all over the world, so even if your site or app isn't in English, you can still use this app to make sure it works. Here we can see some more information about the testers, which is important to us. Try on a computer, a tablet, or a mobile phone. We can test websites and apps on Android, iPhone, and iPad by using both our app and a camera that isn't built into it. That is why I said in the beginning that you can do this with just your cell phone. Finally, it is up to you. As a result, it's great that you don't have to be at home to test the apps. All you need is a phone or tablet to do so. Now here you can see that you can get your results quickly, and some other more extra information about the app that I won't go over because it's not very important to us. So go down below and click on Tester Frequently Asked Questions. Then you will go to this page where you can see that you can get paid $10 per test, and each test lasts between 10 and 20 minutes. In other words, you can get paid $10 in at least 10 minutes and at most 20 minutes. Now that's a lot of money, even though you don't need any skills to do this. Now when you come to this page, make sure you read everything. First of all, Userfield is great because you don't have to pay for anything, as it says here. However, you will need a Windows or Mac computer, as well as a microphone in order to make a video call. If you already have a laptop, you don't even need to buy a microphone because it already has a built-in microphone. But if you already have or need to buy one, you don't need anything that costs a lot. It says it can be as cheap as $2 right here. During the test, you won't need to give your real name. There's no need to be afraid about that. You also need to talk about something important, so you won't be able to start taking the test right away. But this qualification only shows that you have a microphone and can do different things. There is nothing too complicated about this again, so don't worry about it. Now these are the last things you should talk about. PayPal or Amazon gift cards are the ways you can get paid for your work, as shown by this picture. People have told me that they want apps that don't just pay in cryptocurrencies, but also in other ways. With this app, PayPal is a very good choice. Now to start making money with Userfield, all you have to do is scroll down below, click on Become a Tester, and fill out these forms. App number 2. Our next app is Honeygain.com. Honeygain is a great way to make money online without having to work. This app is very different from the one before because you will be making money by giving away your internet. Now, don't be afraid. Your safety isn't at risk or anything. And as you can see here, Honeygain is safe and sound as well. It ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners. And the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device. So they won't get your data. And your internet traffic is only used by the people they know to be good people on the internet. Click here if you want to read more about this. Just below, you can see how Honeygain works in real life. It also makes the internet more accessible to other people who use it, which is good for everyone. And in return, you get paid for doing the same thing too. Steps to making money are shown below. So the first thing you need to do is install this app. Then you run Honeygain, and the app will use your internet data to help other businesses. Finally, you get paid for it. PayPal or Bitcoin are two ways you can pay for things. Last but not least, this app doesn't cost a lot of money. And the amount of money you get depends a lot on how good your internet is too. Because this is also a way to make money that doesn't require any work on your part like the first app did. There is no need to do anything with Honeygain. It runs all the time and it makes money for you. I think you should use both Honeygain when you don't have time to do anything and Userfield when you have time. App number 3. In our third app, MoneyApporg, we'll talk about how to use it. This is one of the best apps of its kind that I've ever seen. We also have it on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, as you can see. In the App Store, this app has a 4.9 star rating, and it's been given that rating by many other people. If you use this app, you'll be paid. To get paid, you'll have to do a lot of different things for them, which will earn you points that you can then exchange for money. So that is all there is to it. There's nothing complicated about it at all, right? And that is it. These are the 3 apps that you can use to start earning money. What do you guys think of these apps? Are you guys willing to give these a try? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Once again, this is Dark Money Secrets, and if you like the video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. That's it, and see you in the next video.